Hello our Desi and Pardesi friends. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make restaurant style Apollo fish. This is a very popular starter in restaurants and pubs across Hyderabad and can also be enjoyed as a snack. So watch the video till the end and follow all the measurements and tips and you will be able to make a restaurant style Apollo fish right in your kitchen. So for this preparation, we've taken half a kg of fish and we've cut it into square pieces. Now this is the tilapia fish that we are using, but you can use any boneless fish. And we are going to start by marinating the fish with 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Carrom seeds or Ajwain, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1.5 tablespoon of chickpea flour or besan, and 2 whole eggs. Mix well till the ingredients coat the fish pieces thoroughly. And the next step is to deep fry these fish pieces. So in a karai, take enough oil for deep frying the fish. Make sure that you keep the flame on medium as we do not want the oil to get too hot. Otherwise, when frying the fish, only the outer layer will cook quickly, whereas the fish will remain raw. And when frying the fish pieces, we have to be very gentle. Add the pieces one by one to the oil, because if you add them all at once and they stick to each other, then there is a chance that the fish pieces might shred when you try to take them apart. Once the fish pieces have turned golden brown, remove them from oil and place them on a paper towel so that the excess oil can be drained away. And the final step is to saute these crispy fish pieces with a few herbs and spices. So to a wok, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in 4 large cloves of garlic which have been finely chopped. Saute till the garlic turns a light brown color. Make sure that you do not fry the garlic for too long, as if the garlic turns a dark brown color, then there is a chance that it will start tasting bitter. Now add in 1 teaspoon of red chilli paste and saute for a further 30 seconds. Add 10 to 12 curry leaves and continue to saute for another minute or so. The curry leaves will give this dish that authentic flavor. Now we are adding 3 slit green chillies. The green chillies will add a wonderful spiciness to the dish. Continue to saute for another 30 seconds, and at this stage we are going to add a little bit of salt. Make sure that you do not add too much salt, as we had already added salt to the fish pieces when we marinated it. Now to this mixture, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 3/4 tablespoon of soya sauce. Give the mixture a quick mix. And then we are going to add in the fish pieces. Toss the fish pieces in this mixture so that each fried fish piece is well coated with all the lovely flavors of the masala mixture. And there, dear friends, our delicious Apollo fish is ready. See how simple it is to make it? Do try out this wonderful snack when you have a party at home next time, and your guests won't stop praising you for this delicious dish. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and before you go, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. And we will see you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, have a lovely week ahead.